tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Tiffany Air Force One joints. I'm not really too fond of Air Force Ones. Everybody that knows my channel knows that I don't really do Air Force Ones. It's not a shoe that I like at all, to be honest with y'all. But the Tiffany joints, I've been getting some requests on doing these, so I decided to ask Rose to send me a pair. So Rose went ahead and sent me this pair for a review. Now, before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all those good things that everyone else says in their videos. Please do that here. I really appreciate it, and it really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. This shoe will be up there as well. The Reels page is popping, got a lot of shoes up there. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video, all right? So we got a really good community in there. We help each other find shoes. We trade shoes between each other. We sell shoes between each other. It's just a really good community where it's safe and you can figure out where we get shoes and all that good stuff. So go ahead and check out the Discord. The link is in the description, all right? Now, granted, like I said, I don't like Air Force Ones. I do think that this is a nice looking shoe. Air Force Ones just aren't my thing. I'm not a fan. I've never been a fan of Air Force Ones. I think they really look boxy and they're clunky. Just not my cup of tea, but I know a lot of people love Air Force Ones. I know they're classic, I get it. It's just not my style of shoe. But do I think this shoe looks nice? Yeah, it looks cool. I mean, it just looks like every other Air Force One that I've ever seen. That's just me though, all right? So I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this shoe because it's really plain, but I wanted to make sure I brought this one to you guys, okay? A lot of requests for this one. Now, I do recall LeBron James wearing these during the All-Star weekend. I think it was an All-Star weekend. It was either the All-Star weekend or the day that he broke the scoring record or the scoring title. So I'm gonna jump right into this. So before I really get into it, I wanna show you guys that these came with extra laces. And then there's the lace holders that go on the bottom of the laces here. So you got those metal pieces, and then you got your teal, you got yellow, and I believe that's white or like a silvery type of color. But those are the different lace options, and then you come with the standard black in the shoe, okay? So I wanted to show you guys that. So taking a detailed look, we have like a felt upper. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be suede, but it looks more felt to me. This looks like a felty material, and I think that's what we have here. It's definitely like a felt. I did brush these. The only thing about this material is that you're gonna get a lot of lint and things sticking to it. I don't like that. So you're gonna wanna have like a handy dandy brush or something like that to brush these off if you get this pair, okay? This particular pair, the toe box looks a little boxy for me. It should be slanted a little bit more. I personally think that. It should be a little bit more curved, but who am I to judge? It's an Air Force One. I think they all look boxy. For all intents and purposes, I think that the toe box looks a little boxy for me. I was surprised by how lightweight the shoe was, likely because I don't wear Air Force Ones, so I'm not really too fond of how heavy it's supposed to be, but this is kind of lightweight, so that's another thing to note. All your perforations here, so your shoe is definitely breathable. Where that tag is supposed to be, they do have a leather patch here, and I did verify that it's supposed to look like that. So that's that. You got some nice leather here. It's an okay leather. It's more like a synthetic leather, nothing crazy, but I mean, it's a nice little touch. You got your swoosh right here, which is the fat swoosh. I do like that. It is a teal color, and I think that's a nice touch against that black. On the heel of the shoe, you still have your Nike Air branding right here, and it's stitched in black. I'm glad they didn't make that teal. And then you have this Tiffany tag right here. Now, I don't know how accurate that is, or like if it's etched the right way or whatever, but it does look cool. I like the little tag there. It looks nice. The medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, so nothing special there. We have black laces going up the shoe and to the Tiffany tag right here, which I thought it was supposed to be stitched. This looks more like it's a stamped on tag, so I don't know about that, but it is a nice little piece of felt or suede, whatever it's supposed to be here. One of the highlights of the shoe that I personally like, I like this leather sock liner. I think the leather sock liner is a really, really, really nice touch. I do like that. I think that's super cool. Either leather or satin is always like a good look, and I thought that was nice right there. Insole of the shoe is that teal color. You got your Nike Air branding right there. It's nothing spectacular. It's just like a little foam piece, and there's nothing really to it. It's not really gonna be comfortable. You can see there's really no support with this thing. And Air Force Ones are really flat anyway, so it just is what it is. So in all, the shoe is pretty nice. I mean, it's okay, it's basic. I do like it just a little bit. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, for the colorway, 6, not spectacular, not at all, not even a little bit. If I had to rate it for construction and materials, the construction was okay. It's an Air Force One. Materials is all right. I'll give it a 7 for materials. I think it's supposed to be suede. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be felt, but it is what it is. So that's kind of where I'm at with it, like a 6, between a 6 and a 7-ish for the shoe. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this was informative for y'all. If you guys like this shoe, you can go on StockX and GOAT and find it, or you can go to Rose, hit us up in the Discord. We got the information. Until next time, you guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.